lights, camera, music, action. This is a set of gadgets from all over the web even the golf lover will enjoy. There's also something gamers will appreciate. You'd better see this. So this phone has two displays, the 6.53-inch main screen and this circular one on the back. And it isn't just for watch faces, although there are so many styles to choose from. This subscreen works great for selfies, allowing you to use the 64-megapixel rear camera. Plus, it neatly displays all your incoming calls and notifications. Otherwise, this phone boasts a huge 5200 mAh battery, 5G connectivity, and built-in fingerprint unlock. And what's really cool? There are two programmable buttons that can be assigned to virtually any function. With its sturdy waterproof construction and dual SIM slot, this phone is a perfect travel companion, and a stylish one for sure. Oh, don't even think about it. We need a lot of stuff to do. Sounds familiar? This snap stand power set will keep your iPhone afloat. Just clip the device to its back. Since the charger's small, you can throw them together into your jeans pocket. Both the phone and the charger need to be juiced up. The side port makes it a breeze to simultaneously charge and prop up your device. Best of all, it supports pass-through charging that prioritizes juicing up your phone. Yet I suggest one more way of using the gadget. You guessed right, you can use it as a stand too. A little cherry on top, this thing could also fit up to 3 cards, so you don't have to take a wallet. This portable fireplace will add some soothing touches to all your gatherings in and outdoors. Yes, you can roast marshmallows on it. The fire kit's made of concrete and uses only 5 ounces of 70% or 91% isopropyl rubbing alcohol to burn for up to 60 minutes. The refill will take just a couple moments. And unlike real fire, this particular fireplace produces no smoke. A clean flame with comfortable warmth only. Ready to take your gaming experience to the next level? Look no further than the OneXPlayer 2, the handheld gaming console that'll change the way you play forever. With its detachable controllers, you can customize your gaming experience to meet your exact needs. And with the power of an AMD Ryzen 6800U CPU and an 8.4-inch 2.5K screen, you'll enjoy lag-free gaming with stunning visual. But that's not all. The OneXPlayer 2 also features ultra-fast speed and massive capacities, Harman-tuned audio, a smart cooling system, and so much more. Need a job to be done? No problem. Use an optional keyboard and stylus for better comfort. Are there any sauna lovers here? Free up some room in your backyard to install your own sauna in just 3 minutes. This package includes a tent, a log-burning stove, and a wooden bench. When assembled, this setup is capable of providing a relaxing environment of up to 200 degrees Fahrenheit. What's even cooler is that you can install this sauna on literally any surface, and when not in use, the tent easily fits in your trunk. It's time to improve your wellness routine. But I hate the heat. I need to cool down. Introducing the Stingray, an innovative electric motorized stand-up board that's powered by a long-lasting lithium battery. With the Stingray, you can cruise around hands-free and enjoy the beauty of nature while getting some exercise by stepping up and down as you ride. The WaterBlade board is durable and rigid. The package includes all the necessary components such as an inflatable board, a manual air pump, an electric motor, and so on. Experience the newest water sport activity and enjoy staying healthy and active. Content is king, but there are so many challenges that creators must overcome, starting with how the phone is positioned. Flipstik is your way out. It's a stand you can stick on literally any surface you want and adjust the angle you need. You know what? The stickers are actually reusable. You can use one sticker up to 1,000 times. And it's easy to clean in case it gets dirty. The flip cover also works as a versatile kickstand that can support even the largest phones. Finally, there's a silicone band to prevent tomato baths for your smartphone. Are you going to spend a couple of days outside? How are you going to prepare your food? The GoSun Go Portable Solar Cooker is a lightweight, durable, and convenient solution for outdoor cooking. Its insulated tube allows it to cook year-round, regardless of the temperature or cloud cover. With a cooking capacity of 13.5 ounces, most meals can be ready in just 20 to 30 minutes, and boiling water for tea or coffee takes only 30 minutes. The 360-degree cooking feature ensures even heating without the risk of burning, and the maximum temperature of 550 degrees Fahrenheit allows for versatile cooking options. The cooker comes with a hard-shell case for easy transport and protection. Looking for super fast portable storage? Rather than getting an external SSD, it might be better to combine an SSD enclosure with your own SSD. The ZikeDrive USB4 enclosure promises broad compatibility and incredible speeds. It can achieve read speeds in the range of 3,700 megabytes per second and writes in the neighborhood of 3,100 megabytes per second. To put it simply, this is a super boost for your work speed. Roll your way into a whole new gaming world with the Unidice digitized dice, now available in your pocket. This smart die allows you to roll it like the real thing, but it's also equipped with 6 high-definition digital displays which you can control via its accompanying app. Get ready to experience awesome gameplay with games like Dice Poker, Cyber Run, House of Influence, and Los Banditos. Looking to boost your productivity on your iOS or Android phone? Check out FoCase, the phone case designed to improve your efficiency and streamline your work. With its second screen and Pomodoro timer, FoCase helps you stay focused and on task throughout the day. It also includes a built-in call recorder, a feature that's not available on the iPhone without third-party hardware. Additionally, FoCase has an invisible stand, to-do list, and many other standout features that can help you get things done more efficiently. With this mouse mover, you can delegate your presence in front of your PC while enjoying a cup of coffee and peas. The device has a moving disc that makes your optical mouse move randomly, keeping your computer active and preventing away status on Zoom, Skype, and other apps. It's easy to use. Simply plug it into a wall charger or USB port, turn it on, and place your mouse on the disc. It's silent, undetectable by your company IT, so relax, take a break, and let the mouse mover pretend you're working hard. Ready to add a space-age touch to your decor? Check out this awesome futuristic lamp. Its soft and ambient lighting creates the perfect atmosphere, and the lamp reacts to the sounds around it, playing with the beat. Choose from 16+ million colors and 330+ multicolor effects to find the perfect vibe for your space. Don't have much room on your desktop? No problem. This option is way more compact, but no less amusing. Are you a fan of Transformers? Well, it's time to meet Bumblebee and Optimus Prime. These are Bluetooth speakers that boast a 3-watt output. With double speakers and double diaphragm, you'll enjoy a realistic sound experience that'll touch your heart, and with its subwoofer multifunction, you can take it with you wherever you go. Collaborate with your team no matter where you are when you have the Lenovo Project Chronos remote workspace concept. The coolest thing about it is that it blends virtual and physical worlds. With this device, you can control your lifelike avatar using your body movements, gestures, posture, and facial expressions. And guess what? You don't even need to wear any motion capture wearables to do so. The device captures your movements with an advanced RGB depth camera and then replicates them in a 3D virtual environment displayed on a monitor in your home. So you can work from anywhere and still feel like you're in the same room with your team. It's like having virtual freedom to collaborate with your colleagues without any boundaries. Is that a mini version of Aquaman's trident? Nope. Tanto Mini is a new divot repair tool made for golfers who want to keep it in their pocket without even noticing it's there. With switchblade functionality, high-tension springs, and individually CNC milled G10 composite grips, this tool is 30% smaller and features custom-designed grips in 4 colors, a larger magnet, a Teflon washer for a smoother open-close mechanism, and a custom Tanto ball marker. Here's a more compact option with 6 distinct functions in one sleek design. Or you might enjoy using this divot tool as a fidget toy.